Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Lovely to see you. It's Monday. It's Monday the 26th of June, if you are not sure about the day. And as always, guys, we're going to look back at Friday's trades. We're going to look at today's trades. And we're going to look at the important news for today as well, guys. All right. I'm not in my usual surroundings, guys. I'm doing a little weekend away. So I hope the lighting and the sound is okay. Bear with me for today. Tomorrow I'll be back to normal. So, guys, let's start with Friday's trades then. So, euro against the Canadian dollar. This was the first trade we were looking at on Friday. Why were we looking at this? Let me explain. So, yeah, price had been in a downtrend, okay? And then we wasn't sure if this level we'd had a break of structure in terms of the day trend, or it had just retraced a little bit further to the moving average 20 before it came back down. Yeah, I was sort of umming and ahhing with this pair. But, yeah, we had this candle on the Thursday, okay? And I basically said, guys, as you know, as part of our morning analysis, if we get a break of this level here of support, yeah, and we start seeing movement to the downside, we can start selling this pair. So I just wanted a break of this grey zone, guys, okay? Because it was once, you know, resistant and then it was support. If we look at the H4, guys, you can see that zone more clearly, yeah? Crystal clear on the H4. Yeah, you can see this zone through here. Okay, yeah, what was once resistance over here, then became support and has now become resistance again. All right, so we just wanted to see a break. If we drop down to the H1 chart, guys, what candles could we have got into? So we got a break, yeah, with this candle. Okay, bearing in mind our target is this 4,300 level. Although we got a nice break, this candle doesn't make sense. Yeah, if I enter here, put my stop above the last swing high, you know, this is my risk and this is my reward. So from a money management point of view, this trade doesn't make sense. So we cannot trade this pair, this particular candle. Yeah, it just doesn't make sense, guys. But we get a lovely retrace. Yeah, and we get a retrace and then we get this candle here. So we get a bearish candle form, you know, at our grey zone here. See this candle. You know, we can enter on this candle. You know, you could put your stop above the entry candle or you could put your stop above the last swing high. You know, usually put my stop above the last swing high on a downtrend. And I manage a trade and fire more than one shot at a trade anyway. But yeah, generally speaking, guys, I'll put my stop loss above the last swing high or swing low. Yeah, so for example, if I'm in an uptrend, yeah, this is the H1, I'm putting my stop here. If I'm in a downtrend, I'm putting my stops above the swing highs. Yeah, these are swing lows. Okay, these are swing highs. Just in case you thought, what the hell is he talking about? All right, and that's generally where I put my stops, guys. So, yeah, we get this candle, stop here. You know, then the trade makes sense. Okay, this is our risk and this is our reward. Okay, so the trade makes sense now, guys. So this was a nice entry candle to euro Canadian dollar, but you'll still be in this trade. So let's see how it goes. The next trade from Friday was this. It was US dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, so all right, let's start with the day chart. So why were we trying to buy this? Well, many reasons. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. Okay, clearly in an uptrend. We've got nothing but bullish candles, really, and then we had this bullish candle as well. I like this bullish candle, guys, because it broke these highs. Okay, so it's in an uptrend. It broke a previous high. It's a bullish candle, you know, what's not to like? Yeah, we're trying to take price back up to this psychological level here. All right. If we look at the H1, guys, yeah, in an ideal world, I was looking for price to retrace to here. Okay, this would have represented very good value, take price up. But, you know, trading, as you know by now, is not an ideal world. It's a world which will grab you by the neck and, you know, throw you around from time to time. But we had this candle, guys. Yeah, there was this candle here. All right, so this was a very nice entry candle. You know, put your stop below here, enter here, you know, and take price up, guys. You would have got about a risk to reward of 1:1 so far. So that was a nice entry candle. You could have, I mean, if you had entered on this candle, depending on where your stop is, you know, you have to give it a bit of room. You know, if it was a very tight stop loss, you would have got taken out here. But if we give it a bit of room, you know, you would have been okay. But yeah, I like this candle, you know, and I really like this candle. All right, so US dollar, yeah, went in the direction we expected as well. So yeah, 2 out of 2 for direction. And the last one, guys, gold. You are gold. Sorry, always have to break out the song for gold. So this was the third trade idea from Friday, guys. If we look at the day chart, why did I like this? Because we have had a break out of this disgusting box of indecision. Yeah, we just had a breakout of all of this crap. That's a technical term. It's in all the books. Crap. It means price action like this. Yeah, but yeah, if I zoom in, we finally got a break with this candle. Because this candle broke below the low of this candle, you know, and these previous lows, this tells us we can start looking for shorts, guys. It's broken out of all of this crap, and it's basically telling us sellers have taken over this market. Yeah, sellers have won this battle in here, because this was just a battle between buyers and sellers. No one's winning. Okay, but this candle tells me sellers are winning. Okay, so for all those reasons, we were looking to short this pair. If we drop down to the H1 now, we had a couple of grey zones we could have entered from. So we had this grey zone and this grey zone. All right. So price didn't really react bearish enough here. You know, none of these candles in here, you know, none of them say, Tom, sellers are in control, start selling. Yeah, it really doesn't. They're just dojis, you know, and if anything, look at the candle before them. Yeah, buyers are in control at this point. Sure enough, buyers, buyers, buyers. It's not until we start getting up here, sellers start coming back into the market. And let me tell you why, guys, because, you know, once you retrace a pair, it's like an elastic band. I know I've used this analogy before, but it's true. The more you retrace price, the further and further it goes. Yeah, when you let go, like an elastic band, it's going to have more force. So all of this movement up here is just you pulling the elastic band, pulling, pulling, pulling. You know, it gets to such a point. Look, bang. Yeah, it just wants to come back down. So aggressively, you could have traded this first green candle. Yeah, okay, because of the size of that wick. That wick is bigger than the body of the candle. Okay, so I would say that is okay to trade that pair. Sell here, put your stop above here, you know, and take price down. You'll be nicely in profit. Even if you didn't, we get the following candle. Yeah, another bearish candle. You know, you could enter here, put your stop above here, and look to take price at least back down to here, guys. Okay, so yeah, these two candles up here, these were the candles to enter on. All right, and yeah, like I say, we can aim for, you know, back down to these lows first of all. I would take some profit and then leave 20% to run. Okay, guys, so yeah, those are the 3 trades from Friday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, maybe you took some of the trades, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and smash that like button. If everyone could please smash the like button right now, guys, really help support the channel. Right, not news, trades for Monday the 26th of June, guys. Before we look at the trade ideas, let me tell you a few things that we do. So first of all, we've got a free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. We've got trade ideas. We've got trader chit chat, useful links, indicators. We've got many things, guys. So come join the free Discord. The link is in the video description. Also, guys, we have VIP Discord. You do have to pay for VIP Discord, but the perks are you get access to me throughout the trading days. You can ask me questions whenever you like, unless I'm sleeping. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also give you exclusive content each week, and you get access to a performance coach, guys. So lots of things to like on there. So yeah, come join the VIP Discord. Secondly, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email. We'll send you all the information about the mentorship program, and I can coach you on your journey. Next, guys, we've also got YouTube membership. Yeah, if you watch these vids every day, enjoy the live streams, then why not become a YouTube member of our channel? It's a small amount of money, but you get some cool perks as a result. And finally, guys, don't forget our live streams, 8 a.m. New York EST time, every day, Monday to Thursday. Friday, me and the editor are down the pub. Right, guys. So, yeah, that's everything we do. Let's take a look at the trade now, then. So, yeah, for Monday, the 26th of June. So, this is the first one, guys. US dollar against the Swiss franc. Yeah, so we were in an uptrend with this pair, yeah, and then price has started to break down. All right, so at this point, we are in a downtrend. Lower lows, yeah, lower highs. Okay, and this last high here has held with this wick. Okay, so we're still in a downtrend. Okay, this last high here has held, and the idea is to follow this downtrend back down to at least these lows, even potentially back into this grey zone, guys. All right, but our first higher time frame target is 0.8916. Okay, guys, so structurally, that's what we're seeing. We've seen a really nice wick bounce off of those highs. Okay, so we're at a good value level because we're not a million miles away from the moving average 20. Yeah, lots of things to like. That's your job as a trader, guys, is to find reasons to enter a trade. Yeah, that's what I've done here. These are my reasons. I then drop down to the lower time frames to find an entry. So with this, the entry, because the price action's just been so, yeah, technical term, just across many pairs, it's just been whipsawing. Yeah. So what are we seeing? So currently, you know, we are in a H1 uptrend as we speak. All right. So what do I want to see? So price could come back up to this level here. All right. And we could get a bearish reaction. Okay. Then we could enter at these last highs. All right. That would be a bit more of an aggressive trade. Or we could get a breakdown in structure. So perhaps some, okay, let me draw that again, because I haven't been drinking. Or perhaps we get something like this, where price eventually breaks these last lows through here, okay, and then we can start selling back down to here, put our stop above here, okay, or we can wait for a H1 structure break. Every time I'm aggressive, I get punished. So let that be a lesson, yeah? Wait for the structure to break down. It may not look like that, guys. It may look like this. Yeah, it might come back up to this high. Yeah, it might look like that. And we get a breakdown up here. Yeah, put our stop above here. I'd probably take some profit here and leave some money to run. Yeah, so we're just looking for that H1 structure to break down on the US dollar Swiss franc and short it. So that's the first US dollar pair I'm looking at. I'm also looking at New Zealand dollar US dollar. So both these trades are US dollar weakness, obviously. Okay, so New Zealand, this is the day chart now. Okay, so why do I like this? Well, we're still in an uptrend, yeah, on New Zealand US dollar. All right, we were in a downtrend. Okay, but as soon as these highs broke, yeah, we're getting higher lows, and then bang, it breaks, we have higher highs. And then for me, it's just retraced to a nice area of value. Okay, so we could potentially take price back up to here, you know, or even here, or even here, guys. Okay, so I like the structure. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. This low hasn't broken. Yeah, this wick closed back below it. It's not a super bullish candle. If we zoom in, you know, this is not a super bullish candle, obviously, but it's just the fact that we haven't broken this low, and these wicks are rejecting price here. All right, and we've got this moving average 20 coming round, so that works as dynamic support in this case. Okay, so again, those are my reasons to enter this trade. You must have reasons to enter a trade, and many reasons. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're looking at, guys. What do I want to see? So because we don't have a nice bullish daily candle, you know, we're going to have to wait for a bit of a break in structure on the H1. Yeah. Because imagine this, guys. Yeah, we're coming down. I mean, we're in a H1 downtrend at this point. There's a level through here, this grey zone. This is the last H1 high here, but it also reacted previously here as well. So all I want to see, guys, is a break of these last highs and potentially this grey zone. Yeah, this tells me that price, you know, is ready to go back up. All right. So yeah, that's what I want to see, guys. A break in H1 structure. Yeah, it might get a little bit of a retrace. Yeah, and then we can start looking to take price back up to here. If we don't get a breakdown in H1 structure, it might just carry on downwards, guys. Yeah, fine. I'm not interested. Okay, so yeah, we just want to see a build up in H1 structure. And then if we get that build up in H1 structure, yeah, and we get to about here, imagine what that daily candle will look like. Yeah, we will have a bullish green daily candle for tomorrow. Yeah, and that would be a trade idea as well. So yeah, this is why we need a build up in structure. So New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and US dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, so that both of these are US dollar weakness, which I'm going to show you this, guys. This is not a trade idea because of that. So gold, yeah, as we've looked at before, yeah, if we zoom in on gold, you know, gold was a trade on Friday, and we're looking for shorts because we were in this range and price has broken down. Okay, but this is AXU. Bear with me. I've got to do some writing with the mouse pen. This could take about 3 weeks. So why can't I do this trade? Because gold US dollar shorting, this means US dollar strength. Okay, but I've just given you 2 trade ideas. Yeah, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and I'm telling you to buy this pair. So this means US dollar weakness. Excuse me. And I also gave you US dollar Swiss franc. Bear with my writing. This is probably the best writing I've ever done with a mouse pen. And I'm telling you to buy it. Sorry, I'm telling you to short this. Okay. So again, that is US dollar weakness. So US dollar weakness, US dollar weakness. Okay. This is US dollar strength if I tell you to short this. So I do like the look of gold, but it doesn't make sense with what I'm seeing on other currency pairs. So it's not a trade idea, but I wanted to show you that. And if you said, Tom, how, you know, what would you do with gold? I would short it. All right. So this suggests that the indices are still going to go up. Yeah, because gold is a flight to safety. So if the indices keep going up, the economy is good, then gold will remain weak. Okay. And then it becomes, detached from other currency pairs. All right. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I thought it was interesting, guys. But New Zealand US dollar long is a trade idea, and US dollar Swiss franc is a trade idea. Right. My next trade idea, guys, there's more. We had this trade on Friday, guys. Euro against the Canadian dollar. And we're still looking to short this pair. Okay, so we can clearly see we're in a downtrend. We wasn't too sure what was happening here, but then as soon as we get a break of this level, yeah, we're in a downtrend still. It's confirmed the downtrend. And all we want to do, guys, is continue that price back down to this 4,300 level, this psychological level. Got about 50 pips to move into. So what do we want to see? If we go down to the H1, guys, the truth be told, we might have missed this trade. Yeah, this was the trade here. Okay, but if price works its way back up to here, yeah, and we get a bearish reaction, yeah, we have a trade. Okay, we can start taking price back down to here. Yeah, or if we just get, this is a bullish candle, but, once we wake up and we see price, if we just get something like just a bullish candle, and the risk to reward makes sense, we can enter here, put our stop here, take price down to here, then also we can trade it. Basically trading the first bearish H1 candle we see. All right. So EURCAD, still looking to short that. And yeah, okay, let me show you this as well. Showing you everything today, guys. Before I show you this, can I just ask everyone to stop what you're doing and smash the like button, guys? Yeah, I'll give you 2 seconds. Thank you very much. Yeah, it helps support the channel, guys. So thank you. Smash the like button. And if those of you are new to the channel, yeah, and you enjoy my analysis, want to receive my trade ideas every day, then why not subscribe to the channel as well, guys, and smash the notification button. Yeah, we'd love to have you. And also, guys, don't forget the free Discord channel. Don't forget we do a mentorship program. We've got YouTube membership, and we've got our live streams every day. Okay, so my final trade I'm looking at is this, is euro against the Aussie dollar. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's at a nice level in terms of a channel. All right, so if we look at the bigger picture here, this is in a downtrend. Yeah, we've got, these are not new higher highs. Yeah, this is in a downtrend, and this channel here, yeah, is a nice level for this pair. Okay, so I like this area. This candle isn't bearish. In fact, it's a bit too bullish. But, maybe not a trade for today, maybe tomorrow. If we start seeing a bearish candle form here, yeah, something like this, bearish red candle, maybe a bit of a wick, yeah, then I think we've got a nice trade on our hands back down to here. All right, so just wanted to show you this level as well. So yeah, there you go, guys. Those are my trade ideas for Monday, the 26th of June. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Monday, the 26th of June, guys. There isn't any, really. You are pretty free to trade, guys, yeah? No 3-star ratings in there that we can see of. So yeah, nice. You're free to trade, guys. Guys, don't forget to come join us for the live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST today, Monday, the 26th of June. Get all your questions ready, guys, and I'll see you later on. Adios.